Proposed project summary. The movie number, movie title and price will all be presented by this program. This program will allow user to input the movie number. If user input invalid movie number, this program will keep ask user to input the valid movie number until user input the correct movie number. User have to input the number of ticket. This program will display the available seat and user have to enter the seat number they want to reserve. Next, user will be asked whether VIP or not. User have to input Y for VIP and other key if they is not VIP. If Y, this program will display available parking space and user have to input parking space number that they choose. If not VIP, user will be asked whether they have a membership or not. User have to input Y for member and other key if not. If user is a membership, they will get 10% discount. Program will display 4 payment method and user have to input the number of payment method they want to use. Next, user have to input their name, phone number. Program will display the ticket bill that include name, phone number, movie name, total price, price after tax. For the VIP ticket bill, the program also will display parking space number that chosen by user. This program will execute as long the user respond yes.
In this part, I will explain the objective of this project. Firstly, user can input number of the chosen movie. Secondly, users can enter the number of ticket they want to buy. Next, user can choose available seat that displayed by the program. Next, VIP users can choose their parking spaces. Membership users can get a 10% discount. Users can choose their payment method. And lastly, program will display all the detail in the ticket bill, which is name, phone number, movie name, total price, and price after tax.
Problem analysis, input, process and output. Input. User have to input the movie number. User have to input the amount of ticket they wanted to buy. User have to input the number of seats. User have to input whether they VIP or not. User must input their membership. User have to input the parking space number. User have to input the payment method. User have to input name for payment method. User have to input phone number for payment method. And the last one is user must input whether they want to continue or exit the program. The process is calculating the amount of ticket user want to purchase. Total price equal to ticket price multiply number of ticket. Second is calculating membership price. Membership price equal to 0.9 multiply price after tax. And the last is calculating price after tax. Price after tax equal to total price multiply 0.06 plus total price. The output is movie list, movie selected, seat number, parking space for VIP user, 10% discount for membership, payment method, ticket bill including name, number phone, movie, total price, price after tax, parking space. Next, I will pass to Adira for algorithm design.
As you can see on the screen, this is our main for the movie ticket booking system that we made by using Flogorithm. For the first one, we declare an array such as num movies, num rows, and num calls from 0 to 10 value and x constant. We also declare the variables such as ticket sold and initialize all elements to 0. For the rest, we declare the variable as movie num tickets, parking space number, payment method, num phone, and more as on the screen right now. Now let's dive into the details of each step for our system. The first step is movie selection, and customers are welcome with a list of movies currently showing. If they input the wrong, we have total 10 movies and they can choose a movie by entering the movie number. If they input the wrong number, other than 1 to 0, our system will display an error message like you entered the wrong number, please try again. Okay, like this. So they have to enter again the correct number and enter the number of ticket they want. After finish selecting the movie, user will go through to second step, which is seat reservation. For the seat reservation, we have a function named choose seat, and this and despite the function will work. The system will allow them to choose an available seat using a seating arrangement. The chosen seats are marked as reserved to avoid double booking. Next, we will see how ticket price calculation are made. The ticket price for the selected movie is calculated based on movie num. How to know the total price for ticket is by multiplying the ticket price with num tickets. Then, the system will ask user either they are VIP member or not. If user input Y, the system will call a function named display parking space for a VIP member only. The VIP member will choose the parking space and it's free. If user input other than Y, the system will ask either a user have a membership or not. If true, they will get a 10% discount from our cinema and proceed to the last one, which is payment processing. The system will call a function named getPaymentMethod and customers are prompted to choose their prefer how to payment. Then the user needs to input a details such as name and number phone. Lastly, for the ticket bill, all the details such as name, number phone, movie, total price and others will generate. For the VIP members parking space, details are also included in their ticket bill. The final is total tickets sold for the whole day. If user input Y to continue, then the system will go back to the movie selection step like before. But if user input other than Y to exit, the ticket sale will display based on movie. That's all from me for the main, and I will pass it to Fatin for source code.
Then I will explain about the function that we use in our system. First, we have void display movie list. This function is responsible for displaying the list of movie and their corresponding price. It retrieves the movie name and ticket price from the movie list and ticket price list array. And then we have double calculate ticket price. This function takes an integer movie as input and return the ticket price for that movie. The ticket price are stored in the ticket price list array and the function simply return the price of the movie specified by the movie parameter. And then we have void display parking space. This function displays the availability of parking space. The available parking space are stored in the parking space array and the function print out the number of available slots for each parking space. And then we have integer choose parking space. This function allows the user to choose a parking space. It takes the parking space array as input and prompt the user to enter a parking space number 1 until 10. It checks if the chosen parking space is valid and if there are available slots in that parking space. If the chosen space is valid and available, the function returns the selected parking space number. And then we have void choose seat. This function allows the user to choose seat for a particular movie. It takes three parameters, which is seat, reserve seat, and movie. Along with the number of tickets the user wants to reserve. The seat array stores the availability of seats and the reserve seat array keeps track of reserved seat. The user is prompted to enter the seat number they want to reserve and the function handles the seat reservation process. And then we have get payment method. The function prompts the user to choose a payment method 1 to 4 for their ticket purchase. It returns the chosen payment method. And then lastly we have void process payment. This function takes the chosen payment method number as input and display a message indicating the successful payment method.
Then I will show the sample output of this program. Our system display movie list to user and it asks the user to choose movie based on number 1 until 10. Then the system asks the user to enter the number of tickets that user want to buy. Then our system display the seat available to user. When first user enter the program, all seats are available and it prompts the user to enter seat number they want to reserve. And then
our program will check whether the user are VIP member. If the user is a VIP member, the system display available parking space and asks user to enter their parking space. After that, user can choose their payment method from 1 until 4. Then the system asks the user to fill in their details such as name and phone number. And then our system will print out the ticket bill as this. It has name, number, phone, movie, total price, price after that, parking space, and the payment. It shows parking space because they are VIP member. And then, how about the user who are not VIP member? The user will be asked whether they have membership or not. If they have membership, they get 10% discount. As you can see, the seats here are already reserved by first user because the second user choose the same movie as first user. And then it print ticket bill which is name, number, phone, and then it doesn't have parking space because parking space are only displayed to those who are VIP members. And how about if the user did not have membership or the user are not VIP? So it means that they got nothing. They doesn't have discount. They also did not have any special offer. And when the user enter the other key from Y, the program exits and it displays ticket sale on that day.